Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. Today I'm going to take you around probably the highest spec T6 that we have ever had in stock. This one really is a top of the range model. So it's a short wheelbase Highline, factory Kombi van with the BiTDi engine and the DSG gearbox. In beautiful Starlight Blue, it's a lovely dark metallic blue, looks super in the sun. This has got a huge factory spec, great amount of aftermarket bits added on as well. So as you can see here, it's got the full genuine ABT front on it, the ABT grille too, factory LED lights, an expensive option but a very good one. Also got the front parking sensors. Now as I go around, I'm going to show you the condition of the vehicle too, just so you can see what it's like. And as you'd expect at 37,000 odd miles, there's been a few chips on the front which have been touched in. Front spoiler in good condition. Bonnet looks really good. Again, we've had to do a few touch-ins, but there's nothing major at all there. Really is in lovely order. Show you down the side, it is totally dent-free down there. Paintwork all looks in good order. 20-inch alloy wheels, and it's just had a set of brand new Volkswagen genuine lowering springs put on it. So lowered 30mm, just in keeping with that look. Privacy tints to the rear of the vehicle. Now this one was originally supplied by Leighton Vans, so it's got the full R leather interior with the Bentley cross stitch. Now spec wise, this has got pretty much everything. So it's got the Caravel dash, which was the comfort dash, Discover media navigation with App Connect, so you can connect up through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, use Google Maps Nav or your apps, etc. Twin electric sliding doors, heated front seats, the front and rear park sensors. This one's even got a factory sunroof, which is a super rare option. Adaptive cruise control too on this one, again another option, and the power folding wing mirrors. So it's the full arsenal of options on this one. 2+1 rear seat as well, and carpet in the front of the cab, they're both options. And as you can see, Leighton's have done their usual package of insulation and carpet lining with suede lining too. 2 downlighters in the tailgate. It is worth mentioning it is a fully electric tailgate too. And what really stands out with this one is that even though it's nearly 4 years old, the condition really is super. Now don't get me wrong, it's not a brand new vehicle, so please do set expectations accordingly that there will be the odd touched-in chip, etc. But this really is very nice condition. Bumper there, all in good condition. Got the carbon fibre rear bumper protector. It's just got a couple of minor marks on it from loading, but that's what it's there to do, protect the bumper. So fully electric tailgate as mentioned. Now as you can see from this floor in here, this vehicle has never seen a day's hard work in its life. That floor is pretty much as good as that would have been new. And there's your 2 downlighters on the rear bit. Quick press of the button, and that electric tailgate drops down. I haven't looked down the driver's side again, really straight. I cannot see a single dent down there either. Little touch in there. Just stand back and let you see it from a side profile. Looks really good with that ABT front. Real sporty look to it. Whilst we're here, we'll just have a check on the windscreen. There's no chips in the windscreen there. It's all clear. Stepping inside. Mileage down the vehicle, 37,700. and 43 miles. Whilst we're there, we'll just zero the trip mileage. And just show you close up on that driver's seat. Again, looks like it's had an easy life. There is literally no wear there for 37,000 miles. Now, the other great thing on this one is its history and the preparation we've done on it. So, prior to coming to us, full Volkswagen history with yearly services, even though it's set up on a 2-year service schedule. So, been done more than required. And then we have spent just shy of £1,300 on doing other general maintenance. So the cam belt and water pump would have been due later this year. We've done that. DSG service will be due in 3,000 miles, so we've done that. A minor service. And because there was one cracked spring, we've replaced all of them with genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. So you can see on there, there's been no scrimping on preparation for this vehicle at all, and it is ready for you to just use and enjoy. Now, we've got 20 plus photos and a full written description on our website, which is martinatkinsoncars.co.uk. We do take part exchanges and we can offer finance facilities. So if you're interested, please do get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.